Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a folder in Google Drive. Creating a folder is really easy. First of all, go to drive.google.com and on this site we need to click on new from top left. After that select new folder. Now name your folder. So for the sake of this video I'll name it sample. After that select create in order to create the folder. Now as you can see the folder has been created here. Now there are two ways to add videos or any of the files inside this folder. For the first method, select the items which you want to add inside this folder. So let's say I want to move 4 things. For that hold down Ctrl key and then select the files or items you want to move inside. So I have selected these 4 files. For the first method, just drag and drop the files inside the folder like this and then they will be moved inside that folder like you can see here. For the second method, we need to again select the files by holding down Ctrl key and select the files which you want to move and then right click on those files, then go to organize, under it select move, and now we need to select the folder where we want to move the files. So I want to move those files inside this folder, so I'll select it, then select move, and the files will be moved inside the selected folder. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.